camera for the retina. ನರದ್ದು ಕ್ಯಾಮರಾ. ಈಗ ಕೆಲವರಿಗೆ ಕಬ್ಬುಡ್ಡೆ ಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಮೆಜರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ. This is the only machine this side, all of north to Bangalore. We have this for child, ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸಸೈಸ್ ಇದು. ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಜನ ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ. ದಿಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಓಲ್ಡೆಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ವಿಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಮುಂಚೆ 40-50 ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ಮುಂಚೆ ಶುರುವಾಗಿದ್ದು. ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಜನ ಬಿಕ್ಕಿರೋರು ಲೇಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ವಿಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಬಂದರೆ ಇದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಗಮನ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ. ಇದು ವಿಜುವಲ್ ಆರ್ಥೋಪ್ಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ, ಸೊ ಸ್ಕ್ವಿಂಟ್ ಇರೋದು, ಇಮಲ್ಗಮ್ ಇರೋದು ಅಂಥದ್ದು ಕೆಲವು ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇರೋದ್ವಾಗ ತುಂಬ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಆಗಿದೆ.
Center of Pajwat staff and everything. So Velankanalli ತರ ಇರ್ತಲ್ಲ. So a lot of people are having stress. So more of social service.
No
commercial.
No commercial angle. No fees. Today we inaugurated our new building and new premises. Adರಲ್ಲಿ we have latest technology, including latest scans. We need to give high quality treatment at the most affordable way, and no patient should probably go without a treatment for the sake of like small financial inability. That is our major thing. We have a painless laser delivery, which is actually useful for high quality of retina treatment for especially diabetic patients. So latest scanning technology ಮೂಲಕ we can identify even microstructural problems in the retina, identify retinopathy ಅಂತ ಶುಗರಿಂದ ಬರೋ ತೊಂದರೆನ even before it comes we can identify to some sect of population. ನಿಮಗೆ ಇದು ತೊಂದರೆ ಬರ್ಬೋದು, ಒಂದು 2 years ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಶುಗರ್ನ ಇನ್ನೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ automatically the all problem, everything is reversible.
We do all type of surgeries here, and ನಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ರೂಫ್ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ we have every facility available. We do the latest OCT ಅಥವಾ CT scan of the eye, and ಈಗ recently we have also set up a laboratory. We do the lasers for diabetics. We do scan wherein which we can detect the earliest glaucoma cases. We have a field analyzer, and it's our pleasure to be associated with people, to serve people and give them the best treatment possible.
So I would like to introduce to you the Diksha Counseling Center. The main aim of Diksha Counseling Center is to see that the people inside and outside this particular hospital do come out with their stress, not only which they are having with their eyesight, but also in their minds, in their families, or they have with their children or with their spouses.
We are planning to have a telemedicine approach wherein we will be able to even our technician can go, they will have the camera, they will screen, and alin the surgeon can sit here in his chamber and see which patients require what treatment. So these are some of the few things which we plan to look at and enhance to do, which others are is being neglected.